Hello, I wanted to share with you today a tip that I picked up on cleaning the stickers off of a keyboard. When you first get your keyboard, when you're first learning to play, they're essential. You can't work with them, but I find now, my playing is advanced, that they're a distraction. And so I want to clean them off. It might also be that you're selling a keyboard and you want to sell it in the best possible light, and again taking the stickers off will just give it that edge. And what I found was that penetrating oil, I didn't see that, penetrating oil, WD-40 being the big player, but this is I don't know where I got this, perhaps Screwfix. It won't take the sticker off directly. There's a couple of things you've got to do first, but for the final bit, this is excellent for removing the glue and giving you a nice white, clean or black keyboard. Now what I've actually done is I've used a pair of tweezers. These stickers come like a laminate, with a piece of clear plastic over the top. Then there's the white bit with the notes on, etc. And then finally the glue back. With a pair of tweezers you can tease up the edge of the clear plastic and strip that off. Put that to one side. Once you've done that all the way down the keyboard, this is a tool that I've fashioned up. It's from a cheap artist set, £1 or £2 a set of tools, and I ground it off, ground the edge, the end flat, and it works excellent as a scraper just to scrape these things off. Let me move the camera in and I'll see if I can give a demonstration of that. Comes off a little bit at a time, and I'll just dispose that into the bowl. And if you do it right, you don't scratch the actual keys. So this one's almost clear now. Let's just chuck those last bits in there. Also be careful not to drop those bits and pieces down between the keys. I'm using a cleaning cloth that's a bit like toweling. Never put this directly onto the keyboard because it's going to run down in between the keys. Instead, squirt it onto the cloth and then just give that a rub, and that's taken all the sticky off. What I also do is just go up the top there and clean off some of the built up grime and dirt, and that's it. Now you might want to do it one at a time because it's quite a long job, or you might do it in the way that I'd chosen to do it, and that was to take all the stickers off first, then scrape the white bit off, and then finally clean the glue up. After you've done all of that, take a cloth that you've dipped into soapy water, not too much soap, and just use that on the keyboard to clear off the excess of the penetrating oil. If you don't, when you take, I'm doing this outside because it does smell, that stuff, you're going to have a lingering smell of penetrating oil. A beautifully clean, back to how it should be, keyboard. Okay, so just a little tip that I thought I'd share, and I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.